Hi everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm with our new shirts. I just wanted to go over this side of the well house, the summer kitchen. We finally got it cleaned up. It was a mess. So I had posted another helpful hint, or I will, about the daffodils, if you could zoom in. Basically, to get them out of the way so I could plant, you just pull them up and flip them over. But in this bed, we cleaned it, we put a lot of compost, and we have the polka dot plant. I have two varieties, this is one of them. And in a shade garden, obviously you have to have a hydrangea. It's coming out beautifully. Over here is the elephant ear that I did a video on. And in the back here, so this elephant ear, let me come back here. What's about to lightning and thunder again? Is going to screen this whole area. You might want to just kind of, this whole area is going to be screened by this elephant ear. And over here, my sweet peas, which I cleaned up. I lost a lot when we had to put up the summer kitchen. I put strings up and it's already creeping up here. So this will be beautiful pink and white. So then on this side with the fountain, we have impatiens. Now the impatiens I have, there's two main types of impatiens. Ones that can handle the sun, some that can't. I already did a video on the ones that can't handle the sun. That's what I have in here. This is going to be a glorious white. And then I have a couple trees with some pink impatiens. So, and then over there I have a bush. I can't. So the siding, that was, I have a quick video on that. It was so green, it was unbelievable. That's the problem with vinyl siding. In the shade, it really covers. So I washed it. It's a little muddy from the rain. Up here, we did the roof, and I'll show pictures of that. And then I finished it, planted my impatiens. I'm like, I forgot to put the gutter on. So in the next few days, we have to get a ladder in here when it's not a foot of rain. Put the gutters up before the impatiens start filling out. But this is the quick gist of the whole thing. In 3 to 4 weeks, this whole thing is going to be fabulous. Right after this, I'll post my helpful hint on the daffodil leaves, what to do with them to get them out of the way. And next, we're going to do the sweet potatoes. This is Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. Take care. That we got the cap that goes in, and it's supposed to fit in. We're gonna cry if it doesn't. And Taylor, Stefan's holding the ladder. Good job. He's a good hammer. He actually hammered a lot of the stuff in. Okay, please fit, please, everybody. It fit? No. Woo! What a relief. Are you sure it's all in? Yeah. Looks great. Oh, now we could get the scaffolding. We got to finish the little edge, and then the scaffolding could go, and I could plant my impatiens and finish this area. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
All right, we have finished capping off the roof, moved the scaffolding. Oh, that was a nice feeling. And all I have to do is wash the siding. It's really green. And we did the helpful hint on tying up your daffodil greens. And it's so hot that it'll finally die back. But that gives me space to see what I need to do. All right, I'll see you after washing this, and hopefully we miss the storm. Just a quick update. I can't believe how gross that siding is. Little hot water and soap works wonders.